currently I have these indicators on my car, and these are just halogen ones, like normal halogen ones that blink. Don't look as nice on this car. They look cheap. So I'll show you what they look like when they're turned on. This is what they look like. There's slow blinking ones. These ones. I have two. On that side and one for this side. So yeah, they're LEDs. Sequential also, I think. And yeah, they're gloss black, so they should look way better than this on that look. So yeah, first I'm gonna take this out because yeah, it came out easily, but it's broken. So yeah, don't mind that. Gotta twist this and take that out. Okay, put it somewhere. Now for this, pull the bulb out. That's it. This is the bulb. Now for this, I need to put this, plug that into this. So I'll do that now. Okay, so I plugged it in. As you can see, I plugged it in, and now I gotta get it in, like push it in. That. Okay, done. Got that plugged in, twisted in. Now push that in and then lock. Look, it already looks nicer than those ones look. Looks so cool. That looks so good. I got these for $5 from AliExpress. They look cool. I'll show you how they look. That's how they look like. They're so cool. See, they're sequential as well. They go like that. I've installed that one off camera. You can see, got that on. Got this on. No hyper flashing, so that's good. Yeah, they look cool. I'll leave the link for these in the description. And there are also clear ones in the same product, but clear, like the original ones I showed you.